Once baby is born, whether it is hospital or you have taken assistance of midwife, you will be handed over a form. That form, once you fill, the bottom part of the form will be handed over to you. It's a small piece of paper which will have baby's information, that is, if you are decided on baby's name, that name will reflect their date of birth and the temporary OHIP card number. In case you are like us, not decided on the name of the baby, in that case it will have mention of mother, that is, for example, Neha Sharma is the mother, it will say daughter of Neha Sharma, date of birth of the baby, and then the temporary OHIP number. Remember, this is important and don't forget to get this. In case you have forgotten, in that case you can call up Service Ontario and they will guide you on what to do next. Now, in case you are undecided with the name, like how we were, once I had updated the birth certificate that made the baby's name official, I called Service Ontario and updated them that now we have a firm name for baby and we would like to update that on the record. So this happened over phone. They asked question like who I am. Once I updated that it's the father, some more questions were asked, and after which the update was done over phone. Now this is possible within certain time. Once you call Service Ontario, based on your circumstances, they will update you if this can be done online, over phone or not. If that is not the case, they will tell you the next step process. You may have to visit Service Ontario physically with baby's birth certificate and then get this updated. Once it is done, your baby's physical OHIP card will be delivered at your doorstep to the address where you stay. This is important. When you have this temporary OHIP card, you will be able to avail all the services benefit of OHIP card for the baby without any interruption. And once you have baby's physical OHIP card, make sure to check the expiry date, set up a reminder, and this way you will ensure that baby's OHIP card is always valid whenever you have to make a visit to your family doctor or hospital. So I hope this information is helpful. There are many such information on my channel. I have organized that. You can check that in the playlist, or you can also check out my website where I have arranged everything what is required for a new parent to know based on the experience what we went through.